In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a freelance portfolio using Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional space to showcase your work without fussing over complicated web builders. Start in your Notion workspace and create a new page. Give it a simple working title so you can spot it easily in your sidebar. You can add an icon or a cover if you like, but don't worry about design details yet. We're going to speed things up with a ready-made layout, so a blank page is perfect for now. At the bottom of the new page, click Templates. This opens Notion's template options, and depending on your setup, it may take you into the full template gallery. That's exactly where we want to be, because it's the fastest way to get a professional structure without starting from scratch. Inside the gallery, head to Templates and use the search bar to type Portfolio. You'll see a range of options tailored to different kinds of freelancers, from designers and writers to developers and marketers. Take a moment to scan the previews. Look for a layout that already includes the sections you plan to use, like an About area, a projects grid, space for testimonials, and a simple way to highlight services. The closer the default layout matches your needs, the less you'll have to rearrange later. When you find a free option you like, open its preview and scroll through to make sure the flow makes sense. Check that there's a clear place for project summaries, visuals, and links to more details. If it feels intuitive and readable, click Add. Notion will duplicate the template into your workspace so you can tailor it. It usually opens automatically, and you'll also see it listed in your sidebar. Now, it's time to make it yours. Replace placeholder text with a short, punchy bio that explains who you help and how. Update any services or skills sections to match what you offer today. In the projects area, add your strongest work first. For each project, include a brief challenge, the approach you took, and the outcome. If the template includes properties like tags, dates, or links, use them to keep everything organized and easy to filter later. Swap in your own images or embeds to bring the page to life, and keep headings consistent so the page reads smoothly. You can drag and drop blocks to reorder sections, delete anything you don't need, and add a simple call to action at the end, so visitors know what to do next. That's it. You've created a Notion-based freelance portfolio, chosen a solid template, added it to your workspace, and customized it to reflect your best work. Keep it updated as you complete new projects, and your portfolio will stay fresh and compelling.